Big up on herself, big up on herself. Well, as you know, me like old fashioned things. And I thought of, if I sing bees in the gourdy, back home we have a thing that grow on the tree, they call it like a gourdy. Yeah, it's like a some people call it duppy sour sap or so how can I sit me don't know. But it's like a gourdy. And like bees and sometimes they use bees and when you smoke for catch out take out the bees and put the honey. I know you use a gourdy, so me call it bees. So the song remember it was like bees in a your gourdy. Bees, bees, bees like a bees and honey. Yeah, bees in a your gourdy. Yeah, cause gourdy is a thing that grow on the tree and something you use it. They make a gourdy out of it. So we say bees into your gourdy, bees in a your gourdy, a bees in a your gourdy. So I thought that would be nice if I make a song called Bees in Your Gourdy, because it's so old, it's an old word. And then it would sound so nice with the beat, and that was my idea to come up with it. Bees in your gourdy, bees in your gourdy, all night long, all night. Bees in your gourdy, bees in your gourdy, all night long. Me walk in the party, the boy keep checking me out. He walk right over to introduce himself. Him say, woman, you have a body of a stallion. Woman, I wanna make you mine, cause you're so fine. Yes, so you don't know I got the bees in your gourdy. So it's bees in your gourdy. That's the name of the song. Bees in your gourdy. Right? So you don't know. Yeah, man. So not big up on yourself. And God is good and have a blessed day today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me like them necklace, The necklace, I love them necklace. Them are shut. I love the necklace piece, yeah. And I have more. I have more of them for sale. It's not just one piece I have. And it's nice. It's different. So big up on yourself. I not watch no face, I not watch no bad mind friend. Cause you have some friend them call themselves them a good friend to you. And some of them say them a friend, but I'm not like every day and share with them. Not do it. Especially if they see you sing a song and the song nice and everybody's like the song, they make sure you draw it for themselves because they don't like you. And for say a person don't like you. And another thing, sometimes you have them phone here. I use the phone and I write somebody on Facebook. And you know how when you write somebody and when you type a word, sometimes the phone change the word from how you put it. And then you send the letter to the person. They come like, so you can't read or you can't write or you can't do a fucking thing. And something like, yo, she can't read, she can't write. Then I understand these technologies sometimes, this phone and this shit. That happen to a lot of people. They leave comment and the comment you write it. If you don't understand what they're trying to say, you won't understand it. Because the word change. But that's psycho. So if you have bad mind people, I'm not going to really like to see you go up, they want to see you go down. Because them bad mind, they don't want to see nothing come and be come on you. They see how do you thing and all them can say that man, you're not reach a man, you're not reach away. Because they don't want to see you reach away, but they don't know say you reach somewhere. I got you work, you must reach somewhere. You do your thing and just keep doing your thing and just have faith and just keep your strength up. And they make nothing stop you from doing what you want to do or what you proceed to do in life. Because when God give you a gift, He give you a gift. And many people can't write a song. And when I write that song, I didn't write it book and pen. I write it in my brain. I never use a pen and paper yet. Since me I write that song. So God gave me the talent to me to use, and I've been like that since I was a little girl. Soon as I got able to talk, I was trying to sing. I've been singing all my life. I just didn't do anything with it. I went to the studio before when I was in Spanish Town with Little John and them, and they tried to push out myself. Then I went to another studio and I do one next song. And the song I do them, I said, why should I push out the song there, And I said, I don't push out the song. I left Jamaica and then push out the song because my father sent for me. I came the following Monday and I come here. Yeah, man. See, I saw it go. I saw it go, brother. Yep. Because the first song I come up when Buju Banton come out them time about me love my car, me love my bike, me love my money and thing and them thing there. Then time they when Buju Banton come out with them song there, Me don't start make song them time there long time, For me a little girl, So I don't know. A long time, I have the dream to be a singer, a movie star, I write a book. It's many things I do, because I have many people out there want to help poor people. But poor them, I know I have enough to help them. I know that because of what God say. I know what me say and what me after. I will have to be and must be. Because I God give me the gift and I God give me the strength for can come up with them song, the knowledge, and me can come up with them things, and just get an empty rhythm and just come up with a song. Many people can't do that. Many people wait for people for write for them and sit down and wait for people for write. Some of them I try and make a song sound good. So when God give you a talent, you can make a song and you can make it sound. Many songs I write sound good. Many of them sound good. And I have a lot of songs, I tell you a whole lot. And I not stop, I go further and further because the blessing I come and the knowledge I come. And I believe in God and I keep my strength up and I keep going. I'm not gonna make no idiot or no fool and like a back a wall. Or some people are not gonna away in life. Them not try gonna away in life. They never try a thing for say they then try at least them fail. They wouldn't fucking try much less to fail. So you can't sit down and watch them the people. You can't sit down and watch a girl we a got dance all every night, go look man, drink liquor. And the money she get to buy a new piece of clothes to show off on Facebook and say she a big thing and she a big fashionist. Behind that she not have nothing else to do. More than a catch man for buy the clothes. She not know where I go, a pussy a bust up, she a get old. Nothing I get away. Well, at least I try to something. Because me I get old, me not get no younger. So at least when me ready for retire or whatever, make you have like a food for dinner, me have one bed can lay down and sleep. When I'm ready for dead, me can buy a coffee and put myself in it. And me can help other people to myself. So that is my dream. Me come on earth really, is to come on earth and try to make a difference. That when me dead and gone, at least somebody can hear my voice. Me don't want to come on earth and silence and leave back in silence. I want to say something before I go. And that is my intention, to come with something different. Just be myself. Don't try to be anybody else. A lot of people not be like the way I am. I'm raw and I'm uncut. But at the same time, that's what life is. Life is raw and uncut. And everybody are the raw and uncut. So if somebody go on and not understand and me say something and them feel like me say it and the way me say it raw and cut, them never like it. They want to remove themselves from my page. And remove themselves. Because every day raw and cut upon TV right in front of your kids and in front of you. And I mean, what I say, you know, if kids don't have to, you have to actually make a kid watch it. You're gonna be my friend, you don't have to make your kids watch it. If it's raw and cut, you're big people don't understand. And there's a lot more raw and cut things out there. But you know, no go for the raw and cut people stand up on comedy and them attack all kind of things. More raw, more than what me I talk about. And people are jeering and make much millions of dollars because them done famous already. Them don't have money already. So to only spend the money to watch them because they done famous on after money. It's all about if the person have money and they don't have money. So to them it's not a big deal because yeah man, the fat things sell out man and big up Martin Lawrence and we talk like, you know, Annie and Pound him jerk off and all kind of thing. People remember about them thing there. Eddie Murphy, all of them people that talk and raw and cut jokes. A lot of raw and cut jokes, a lot of comedian. But it's not a big deal when I'm done, me know and I know the name out then they have money already. It seems like not a big deal, everybody go and speak. But you know as a person come in and deal like a raw and cut, people have all kind of something to say. If you never raw and cut, they have something to say. If you're raw and cut, they have something to say. If you're ugly, you have something to say. If you're pretty, they have something to say. Then anything you do, people are going to have something to say. So just do how you feel and how you live life. Long as you're not try to hurt nobody or disrespect nobody and go nobody path you're not supposed to step over and know your boundary, you're good to go. So that's how me look at life. Me look at life as a different path, you know, a different way. How people that look at life. I'm glad for wake up and enjoy for the little ear, little breath, little food I get. And thank God for have mercy upon me that me wake up this morning. I'm not time for sit down and criticize and I watch people and up and down and I mumble people. Satisfy me. Enough time I can't go to flourish. Me can't come on Facebook just up every day kind of boot and clothes. Me not have time for that. When me ready me chewing something, me go me have clothes, me working, me making money. Clothes cheap, me can't get frack for $20 or $15. Clothes me can't find. A boot me can't buy for $10 with a whole boot. Me have things, it's just me. It's a way of life. You know, have to get up every day and say, well, me feel the best of everything for attract nobody. My own spirit, my own mind, being as a human being, how you live and respect people and love people and be honest with them. Long as you not cross my bones, me tell them about them blood clot. Me and them good to go. Me and them go to go. Me tell about your blood clot or your ass clot tomorrow morning. And may your friends see me get it cross a pint and we straighten out the difference. You don't do it again. You understand? But away from that as a human being. I'm just a human being like everybody else. But I'm a straight human being. Me like to keep it real. Me like to keep it loud. Me like everybody to understand where me coming from. Me understand where you coming from. Me not see the big deal and the big for one thing and then. Watch a Disney Channel. Watch a cartoon them. All kind of sex. All kind of sitting and with kids who no kids are watch. And then you talk about raw and cut. Some people get upset because some of them might say, so go to your pussy girl, whatever the shit was, whatever. I don't give a shit what I want to think or whatever. Enough girl I suck out, enough girl pussy. I never get my pussy suck out before. Yeah, so what? What a big deal. You know, it happened and it done and it gone. You know, everybody cross a certain path in life. Now if you understand, live with yourself, be with yourself and understand on the fucking self. You understand me? That's it. Me not gay, me have friends who wasn't in a certain thing, I pull myself back, guess what? But it happens before. What's the big fucking deal? I'm not seeing no fun happen to no, I'm not seeing. Me no fucking saint, man. So me tell them, say this is like that. This is life. Be yourself, keep it real and who you are. Me not have to act fake. When somebody see me at the road, me the same person I see online. So it's not a big fucking deal if they see me now clothes or bungle. If you say I she that, yes I fucking me that. Me not rob no bank, me not prostitute, me not rob nobody, me not borrow, me not steal, me not trust and credit nothing for nobody. Me good to go. Me thank God for life and everything else. Right? So that's how the story go. I love everybody. Me like to be myself. Who no want like me video or like me thing for them business. Trust me. Who want remove themselves is okay. Me have so much of people, thousands in line and wait for confirm. So as one guy me touch, toops, me touch a button and he confirm and more. He follow up at my page. So I mean, it make a difference. You know, me understand. You know, some people say they don't like and chat, but them still a go. Then go on the line, them a try still go. If you're black, then they still go through somebody's line and try get on your line for you. They must still have brought them neck. So you just go and do your thing and just go and live and just believe in Jah and just make it rain and try to make people happy and make yourself happy and laugh if you can laugh. Because life is hard as what it is. Life had enough sorrow. So if you can laugh every day, why not laugh? If you can get a joke to laugh, why not laugh? Why sit down and cry? Why sit down and be boring and hopeless when you have a lot of hope and you have a lot of faith and love? Please.